Hello techies. So in today's HTML tutorial series, today is the day 4 and in this video we are going to learn about HTML quotations. So basically in the HTML quotations there are 5 tags that we will learn today. First one is blockquote tag, then Q tag, abbr tag, address tag and cite tag. So basically blockquote tag defines that any quote that is taken from another source, and the Q tag is denoting that for short quotations, and the abbr tag is used to that is also known as abbreviation tag, and the address tag is used to denoting the address, and cite tag is used to basically denoting a creative work like a book title, a poem, a song, etc. So let's start. So open the Visual Studio Code, and here we will write some basics HTML. So we will import our project folder that we have used earlier. So first we will learn blockquote tag. For this we are going to taking a paragraph tag, and here this is the information from IMF India Today website. Okay, so we are going to take some content from this website. So go to the browser and search India Today, and we will take some content from here. That is basically information about this player. So I am going to insert here this. Again we will take a p tag, and here we will paste that content. Okay, so this sentence is too long. We will take br tag. Br tag is basically used to line break. Okay, and here we will use the blockquote tag. Okay, so first we are going to see the output. See, this is the output, and because we have used the br tag from here, that's why a line break is showing from here. Now we are going to use the blockquote tag. Cut this closing tag and insert here. Now see, this is the information from dash website, and this is the blockquote tag. Okay, so basically this piece of content is denoting that from here and from here, these two lines are denoting that this information is taken from this website. So basically this is denoting the reference from the another source. That's why we use blockquote tag. So I think you understand. So the next one is Q tag. And why we use Q tag? For short quotations. Like I want to short quote from here, so I will use a Q tag. First of all, remove this because the work of this tag has been done here. Now we are going to use the Q tag here, so I will use from here. Okay, now see. Okay, first I want to show you the previous content without using the Q tag. See, this is a normal sentence it is showing here. Now after inserting the Q tag, see the difference. The short quotation has been inserted here, and what it is denoting here, that this sentence, this line is something special that is showing here. Okay, so that's why we use the Q tag for short quotations. I hope you understand. The next one is abbr tag. abbr stands for abbreviation. Okay, so we make some abbreviation of long term sentences like we use HTML for creating structure of a website. Okay, now see the output. We use HTML for creating a structure of website. So this is a piece of content here. And now we want to use the abbr tag. So I will start from here. Under this abbr tag, first this under this tag an attribute is there, that is title. Okay, so you can skip this title, but for extra information you want to use here the full form of HTML. So what is the full form? Hypertext markup language. Okay, and see what is the difference before inserting this abbr tag and after inserting this tag. See, this HTML is used as a abbreviation. Okay, and after you place the cursor on the HTML, then you can see the full form of this hypertext markup language. So that's why we use this tag, this abbr tag, abbreviation tag, to abbreviate the long term of a short term content. Okay, so because this is the short form that we have inserted here, and in the short form we have included the long term of this. So that's why after placing the cursor here, it is showing this, the full form of this. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point. After that, we will use the address tag. Address tag is basically denoting the address of a person, anything that you can add here. For example, I want to use again a p tag, and here I am writing some content like city, then district, then post office, okay, then a block, and see the output first. Say this is the output. So I want to use a br tag for line breaking. Okay, and now we will use the address tag. Just cut this closing tag and paste here after block. See, after inserting the address tag, you will see the output like this, that this is showing as a special line. Basically this is denoting the address. Okay, and you can also write here the answer like see the output here. Okay, so I hope you got it. After that we will use the last one, and that is the cite tag. Cite tag is denoting the special tag for a creative work like a book name, a poem, a song, and anything. For this I want to use an image here, and to insert an image, which tag we use img tag. Okay, so I want to use this image v1.png, so simply write here v1.png and alt. Because this image relates to Linux operating system, that's why I have given the alt for Linux. After that, first see the output. Okay, so this is the image, and now I want to use the cite tag here. So before inserting the cite tag, we first take a p tag, and under the p tag we will write some content like this. In this image, a penguin has been taken as Linux logo. Okay, what is the Linux logo? That is penguin. Penguin is a type of bird, and see the difference before inserting the cite tag. See, this is the information that is writing about this image. Okay, now I want to use the cite tag to denote some for some creative work. So this penguin, okay, so this is the penguin, that is some special word here, so that's why I want to use the tag here. Now see the difference. See, this penguin is changed into the italic. You can also use the I tag for this, but this cite tag is recommended to use this here. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose this image relates book's cover, and that book's name is like Rich Dad and Poor Dad, is written by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, so what is the book's name? Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So if you want to denote some special keyword for this line of content, so you need to use the cite tag here. Now see, this is showing some special as a special words. So I think you are getting my point and understand everything that I have now show you. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in another video in the next session with another topic. So thank you so much.